Most people are about to lose a massive chunks of their money is 2026 and they won't even realize why until too late. But the people who understand one single concept, compounding, are about to significantly richer because for it here's here the thinking about marketing crash everyone threat them look some kind of the disaster and yeah on the surface they look sacrifice your portfolio drop the news is a full of a panic your friend are freakly out but it but if you actually understand how money works and crash are a one of the greatest opportunity you will get it the the problem is most people go into a crash completely unprepared. They won't set anything up. They won't thought is throw is into the crash and show you when it hit. They panic. They sell and they look is a losses. They didn't not a take a today. I want a walk to throat actually how compounding work why a marketing crash is actually one of the best time of the advantage of the and you need a right now in the 2026 come out of a better than you want in so make sure you to stay in till the end like and starting video the stock marketing is a 2026 is showing some patterns and that have a show up before every major crash in the recently history. I am not there is a feature manga. I am not a honest, but either 226 is SPNO for 400 as a had a historical run. Actually, meaning as a had been expensive stock compared to the actual earning of the companies. Are the level of the historical have almost always had a followed by some kind of the signified pullback the skilled p ratio or which is one of the most reliable way to measure whether of the overall stock market is overpriced it sitting well above is it is long terms average of the round 70 one is a has been similar level before like in the 1992 or 1992 but 2000 because the dot com crash a 2027 can prepared the actually timing but it does mean the risk is a real but and pretending is a most worst thing you can't do it so the question is whether you should be worried the question is what do you about it and here where most people get it completely wrong they think surviving a marketing crash meaning pulling all their money about out sitting in cash and waiting for things to settle down the sound smart but is a reality one of the most expensive mistake you can make and will show you actually why is a second let's start the basic because I think a lot of people have heard the word of a compounding but don't really feel how powerful it is until they see the actually number compounding simply means that you return generate their own returns so I have you invest one 10,000 and grow by the 10%. You now have 11,000 near next year. The मतलब that 10% doesn't apply to original $10,000. The apply the full $11,000. So now can earn मतलब ये $1,100 instead of the $1,000. Then next year 10% and of the $11,001 keep building on the itself over short period of the time. That doesn't sound like a lot, but give it some time and it is become generally shocking. That some $2,010, but at a 10% average annual return, which is a roughly is a historical average of the SPI 500 turn into about 67,000 after 20 years. After 30 years, it is a 100 1 crore 20 lakhs dollar after 40 years. Almost your profit is a 400 triples from the signal $2,010 invest in the no additional contribution. That is a power of the compounding. Time is a engine. Albert Einstein often credit in the calling of compound interest of the eight wonder of the world. Whether is actually said that the note doesn't really matter because the math back is up completely. The reason compounding is a powerful, it is that a reward patient about almost everything else. It doesn't care how too smart you are. It doesn't care whether you want to college. It is doesn't whether you want you read a balance sheet. It is it just reward time. The longer you want, let it a run. The more powerful is a get and here is a thinking of the Paul people don't always thinking about compounding doesn't people apply to money already have. It also apply to the shares you buy in the future. Every month that you add money to the your investment, you are adding to new fuel to the compounding engine, which is actually where a marketing crash is a counterintuitive. It is a sound can actually be a one of the best thinking of the what happened a long term investor, and another best thinking that can happen is your YouTube channel finally reached monetization and you can investing मतलब invest much more since YouTube is a golden opportunity of this time decide or and you want to understand how to do it. I can help you my free community with a link below. And now here critical part of the most people miss via marketing crash. One of the two things happen to compounding. Either is a gets cervical damage, a panic sells and the sit on the sideline, or it actually accelerating is a you stay invested and keep buying. Let in the explore both of the thus outcomes because they paints a completely different financially future. What happened when you panic sell? They are a famous study in the Findley. Actually, that looked a what would happen to $10,000 investing a S and P thousand $400 invest index fund from the January 1st 1980 to December 31 2022. If you just left money on the almost alone a whole time today, I